Hey, garden lovers! Do you want a burst of vibrant colors in your garden as soon as spring arrives? Imagine those first blooms peeking through the snow, signaling the end of winter. Today, I'm going to show you the absolute best way to plant crocus bulbs for a stunning and successful bloom. Stick around and let's transform your garden together. First things first, let's talk about the crocus bulbs. These little beauties are like nature's gems, ready to give your garden that early pop of color. The best time to plant crocus bulbs is in the fall, before the ground freezes. This gives them enough time to establish roots before winter.
Step 1. Find the perfect spot.
Crocuses love well-drained soil and lots of sunlight. A sunny spot ensures they get the warmth they need to bloom early. If your soil is heavy and clay-like, mix in some compost or sand to improve drainage. Trust me, your crocuses will thank you. Step 2. Dig the right depth. Plant your crocus bulbs about 3-4 inches deep, pointy end up. Space them about 3 inches apart. This gives them enough room to grow and ensures a full, vibrant display come spring. Step 3. Plant with care. Gently place each bulb into its hole, then cover it with soil. Give them a little pat to make sure they're snug in their new home. Crocuses aren't fussy, but they do appreciate a bit of attention to detail. Step 4. Water them in. After planting, give your bulbs a good drink of water. This helps them settle in and start growing roots. But be careful not to overwater. Soggy soil can cause the bulbs to rot. Now, here's the magic part. During winter, your crocus bulbs are busy growing roots and getting ready for their big debut. You don't need to do anything except wait. And then, as soon as the snow starts to melt and the days get a little longer, your crocuses will burst into bloom, bringing vibrant purples, yellows, and whites to your garden. It's a beautiful sight and a true sign that spring is on its way. Planting crocus bulbs is a simple and rewarding way to kickstart your spring garden. Follow these steps, and you'll have a carpet of color greeting you after the long winter months. So, what are you waiting for? Grab those bulbs, get planting, and enjoy the beauty of nature right at your doorstep. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting, everyone,